How's it going? This is Back to the Bar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I was in Long Beach flying my Evo 2 Pro, the 6K. See that right there? And I saw a couple of ships out there. The carnival ships, and it was quite out there. I would say maybe 2 miles, a mile, 2 miles. And I think the stock antennas on the controller of the Evo 2, if you see it right there, I think it can handle it, but I wasn't too sure. So just to get a good and warm and fuzzy feeling, I decided to get the Alientech antenna, booster antenna, the 2.4 gigahertz. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna have it installed. I'm gonna do it myself, by the way, and then test it out. So let's go see what's in the box. Alright, this is the Alientech Pro 2.4 gigahertz signal booster, and it is an active directional antenna with two power amplifiers for range extender. So let's see what's in the box. Alright, so you got a little qualification certificate, and let's see. Oh, by the way, I bought this from Alientech, from the manufacturer, directly from the manufacturer, and not from a unauthorized dealer. So it cost me $2.99 for this. But if you go to like an authorized dealer, then I don't know if they knock up the price or what, because they're like $300 something, so a little over $329 or something. So here you go. Here's so you got your antenna, and let's see what you get. And this is for your battery. So battery charger. Yep, it's battery charger. And what else we have? Oh, you have instructions manual. Okay. And in here, let's see what we got. Put it in the box here. You got your cables. Let's see. So you got your cable to charge the battery, or and a set of tools. So basically, what you have in the box is the antenna, the charger for the batteries, along with the cable, and then the set of tools that you only need to do the installation with. So, and my bad, I forgot that I somehow took this out from the box for some reason. I don't, but these are the antenna wires. So this is part of the kit. All right, so you'll have that as well. So okay, so and because I have the sky mount with the Tripltek display, as you can see right here, if you notice that the antenna, here's the antenna right here. All right, and this mount is kind of in the way, so if you install the Alientech antenna, it's going to interfere with this mount. So what I did was, they sell the adapter, or like an extension. There's two that I can put on each antenna to make sure that the Alientech antenna is sort of sticking out like so. If you can see, let me see, can you see that? Yeah, so it'd be sticking out here rather than, oh, I'm sorry, is that right? No, okay, so like that. So with the extension, it's going to give you some clearance from the mount. So okay, so that's this thing. It's an extra cost. It's not part of the kit, but they do sell it as a separate item if you need something like this, provided that you have the sky mount the Skyfire mount, or maybe some other mount that might interfere with the antenna when it's installed. Okay, that's it. So let's go ahead and I'm going to install this antenna, and then we'll go from there. Okay, all right, so I've got the Alientech Pro installed on my controller. What you see around this controller is the Skyfire mount part of it. But I just wanted to show where or how it's installed on the controller with the Sky mount. As I had mentioned, I've got the additional adapters or extenders, and that's installed in here. So as you can see, if I didn't have those adapters, this thing would be pulled up to here and this bracket would be in the way. So if you can see that right there. So with the adapters, is extended out, and there's a lot of room now for the antenna. So now if you want to install this antenna yourself, you can do so, and there's a YouTube video, pretty good YouTube video that gives you a good instructions on how to do that, and I will put it on in the link below. But now if you're not comfortable with doing a installation or modification to your controller, you can I'll put a link down there. It's a company called Covert Drones, and I'll put the link down there, and they will do it for you. You can either buy the antenna from them, the Alientech, or you can buy well, you know what, it's best you buy it from them, and then they can install it for you. But the only thing you got to do is you need to send your controller to them so they can install it, obviously. Now I got mine Alientech, as I mentioned, from the manufacturer, so it was I think it was a lot cheaper. Again, I paid $2.99 for it. So, but yeah, it wasn't that hard to install, well, at least for me, because I already installed the Firehawks, 4Hawks on another controller, on an Evo 1 controller. So I had a little bit experience of doing that. Also, what I like about this Alientech is that it has its own power source. So it has two NiCad or LiPo batteries, and so it's not going to draw any power from your controller. Now the 4Hawks doesn't have any power source itself, so it's drawing power from the controller. So okay, all right, just to make sure it works, I'll power up the controller. All right, there we go. And then you also the antenna. There we go. Okay, so everything's on. It seems to be working. Well, a little magnetic interference because my drone is sitting behind me next to metal. So it's looking good. Now I just want to show you how my whole setup is like. Alright, so this is my setup. Again, this is the Sky mount or Skyfire mount partial of it, and I have the Tripltek Pro, so I'm going to install the mount first, and let's see how it goes. So there you go. There's my my setup of the Tripltek Pro with the Skyfire mount and the antenna. And I do have a tripod, little miniature tripod that I use as well. And it's basically it's a generic tripod, but it works for me. because this thing is slightly heavy, right? So I use a lanyard as well, and I attach it on here, or I can attach it on both sides here. So, but most of the time I use a tripod, whether I use a small tripod like this or the bigger tripods. So this is how mine look like, and if you want to have a same setup, I'll put the links down below for the Tripltek Pro, the Skyfire mount, and the antenna. So the next thing I plan to do is in a couple days I'll be going out to Long Beach and see if I can get out there and see if those Carnival cruises are out there, so I can film them and come on back. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Mahalo.